Most people believe jawline is genetic. They think if you were not born with a sharp jaw, you can never have one. That is not completely true. Your jawline is influenced by posture, muscle use, fat levels, habits, breathing, and even how you sleep. In this video, I will show you everything that actually works, what does not work, and how people completely change their jawline naturally and safely over time. Most people look in the mirror and feel unhappy with their jawline. They believe only models or actors are born with sharp jaws. Social media makes this feeling worse by showing perfect faces every day. But what you see online is not the full truth. Jawlines are affected by many things like body fat, posture, habits, lighting, and even the way you breathe. In this long video, you will learn what really changes a jawline, what is fake, and what takes time. This is not magic. This is reality explained in simple words. Genetics reality. Your bones give structure, but muscles and fat control visibility. What a jawline really is. A jawline is not just bone. It is a combination of bone structure, muscles, skin, and fat. Your jawbone gives shape, but muscles give strength, and fat decides visibility. Two people can have the same bone structure, but one looks sharper because they have less face fat and better posture. That is why jawlines change over time. Weight gain hides it. Weight loss reveals it. Understanding this truth is very important before trying to change anything. Why social media lies? Angles, lighting, filters, dehydration tricks. Genetics versus reality. Genetics decide your base structure, but they do not decide everything. Genetics give you a limit, not a final result. Many people blame genetics because it feels easy. But lifestyle has a huge effect. Poor posture, bad eating habits, lack of sleep, and high stress can make even good genetics look bad. On the other hand, good habits can make average genetics look attractive. Genetics load the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger. Face fat and weight truth. You cannot burn fat only from face. Most sharp jawlines you see online are not natural in that moment. Creators use angles, lighting, filters, dehydration, and editing. A face tilted slightly down with light from the side looks sharper instantly. Even famous influencers look different in normal lighting. Comparing yourself to edited content destroys confidence. This video focuses only on what works in real life, not tricks that last 5 seconds. Fat loss reveals jawline naturally. Face exercises change bone. Many videos claim that face exercises can reshape your jawbone. This is false. Bone structure does not change from exercises in adults. Muscles can grow slightly, but not enough to create dramatic change. Overdoing jaw exercises can cause pain, jaw clicking, and headaches. Any content promising fast jawline transformation through exercises is misleading. Real change is slow and comes from fundamentals. Tongue resting properly supports facial structure. Long-term effects explained simply. Overuse can cause pain, not magic. You cannot lose fat from only your face. Fat loss happens from the whole body. When your body fat reduces, face fat reduces too. This is why some people suddenly see their jawline after weight loss. The face is often one of the last places to lose fat. Patience is required. Crash dieting makes the face look older and tired. Slow fat loss keeps the skin healthy. Why some people look sharp at low weight. When body fat is low, facial structure becomes more visible. Cheekbones show. Jawline appears sharper. But very low fat can also make the face look hollow and unhealthy. The goal is balance, not extreme thinness. A healthy jawline looks strong, not sick. Always aim for health first. Bad posture destroys your jawline without you realizing it. When your head moves forward, skin under the chin folds. This creates the appearance of a double chin, even in slim people. Modern life causes this problem because of phones and laptops. Fixing posture alone can make a visible difference over time. Sleep position. Sleeping flat versus pillow stacking. Your ears should be aligned with your shoulders. When they are not, your jawline suffers. Correct posture pulls the skin tight naturally. You do not need exercises, just awareness. Sit straight. Stand straight. Keep screens at eye level. Small daily habits change your appearance slowly but permanently. Bloating hides jawline. Breathing through your nose supports proper facial muscle balance. Mouth breathing keeps the jaw relaxed and dropped. Over years, this affects facial appearance. Many people mouth breathe without knowing it, especially during sleep. Fixing breathing improves health and facial structure support. Line placement changes jaw look. Hairstyle and face shape. Hair changes face proportions. Line placement changes jaw look. Hairstyle and face shape. Hair changes face proportions. Medical options. Pros, cons, risks. Explain safely time expectation. Weeks for posture, months for fat loss. Posture improvement takes weeks. Fat loss takes months. Lifestyle changes take consistency. Anyone promising fast results is lying. Real confidence comes from understanding the process and staying patient. Final truth. Consistency beats shortcuts. Now you understand the truth. Jawline change is not magic. It is habits, posture, fat control, and realism. In the next part, we will go deep into posture correction, tongue awareness, sleep position, and daily habits that actually work.